morning, students. Welcome to your English literature class. And today our topic is Macbeth. You already know the storyline of Macbeth. So today let us highlight about the character of Macbeth and the moral of the story. In the beginning of the story, we find Macbeth is a brave soldier. He is loyal to Duncan and he is portrayed as an innocent person. Next, we find his over-ambitious nature. His over-ambitious nature brings his downfall, which leads to his death. So, his mounting ambition leads to the downfall of Macbeth. Next, we have tempted by evil forces. Macbeth becomes a victim of the witches and he is under their influence. So, we should not be tempted by evil forces. Another point is his overconfident nature. Overconfidence is another major cause of his downfall. He is overconfident that no one can kill him because there is nobody who is not born of a woman. The next point we find that he is easily manipulated by his wife. Initially, Macbeth disagrees to kill Duncan, but it is Lady Macbeth who manipulates Macbeth to kill Duncan in order to pave his way for kingship. Then we find the brutality of Macbeth. When Macduff flees to England, Macbeth becomes very angry and goes to the palace of Macduff and brutally kills Macduff's wife, his children and his servants. Then we have the feeling of guilt of Macbeth. Macbeth has a feeling of guilt after he murders King Duncan and after he kills the family members of Macduff. But it is too late. Then we come to the moral of the story. The story highlights the theme of loyalty and innocence. In the beginning of the story, we find the loyalty of Macbeth towards Duncan. We also see that Banquo has always been loyal to Duncan and never betrays Duncan. Then the next theme is the unchecked ambition. Unchecked ambition without any morality ultimately causes our downfall. Then comes the theme of supernatural forces. The story highlights the theme of supernatural forces. Throughout the story, whenever we encounter the witches, the mood changes to dark and evil. They are very mischievous and this has a lot to do with their supernatural powers. The next theme is a story of betrayal. In the beginning, Thane of Cawdor betrays Duncan and later on Macbeth, Duncan's most trusted man, betrays Duncan. Next we have power corrupts. Excessive power makes Macbeth a tyrant and a murderer from which he cannot return. So, too much of power corrupts a person. Next theme is trust of faith. Another theme of the story is trust of faith. So, we should remember that trust of faith should always be respected. Duncan, trusted Macbeth, but Macbeth betrayed his trust. The next theme is the triumph of good over evil. We should always judge good from evil. In the long run, good always wins. So, what we find is that Shakespeare depicts Macbeth as a tragic hero because he is a hero who has a tragic flaw that leads to his fall. We remember him both for the good and evil, and that still makes him a great tragic hero. I hope students you have all understood about the character and about the moral of the story. Thank you students.